Hey guys and gals, how you doing today? This is Mr. Know-It-All, and I've got a great, short, quick video for you to save you a lot of money and a lot of time, especially. Remember, the more videos you watch here on this channel, the smarter you get. These are sprinkler valves right here. Two different kinds, there's many of them. What happens is people become overwhelmed thinking that they've got to change the whole valve out. You don't have to. Buy the whole valve, get down inside the box. I'm gonna share with you where that's at. Come on over here. This is one of them right here. Okay, then there's one over here. Then there's two over here. This one is the one that's leaking, number 2, and you can see it down in there. See it down in there? Okay. Now, to get that out of there, I've got to dig all this up. Waste of time. Then I've got to try to disconnect it from the pipe that's been there for 20 years. Wrong-o. What I'm going to do is share with you how quickly this can be done. Take your camera, if you can get it down there, to get to that tag that's on whatever valve you have. It could be this one right here, this type, or it could be a Toro valve, and get the part number, get it ordered. Then all you're going to do is cut the wires that go to the solenoid right here, cut those, take the screws out, watch out, sometimes there's springs and whatnot inside there, pull all the guts out of the new one and put them in the old body, this part here. There's no need to remove this body right here when all that needs to be replaced is this. Now, if you say, well, maybe just the solenoid needs to be replaced. Maybe it does. Maybe you buy the solenoid, you put it on, it doesn't work. Well, don't mess with that. Trust me, just remove all the guts out of the new one, put it in the old body, and you'll be good to go. We have done that over and over and over. We've done it on that one right there, and it's still working like a charm. Then you come over here to this one. And you see how many different valves are in there. We did it on this one right here. Works like a charm. These here will probably go, and we'll replace it with the same. Now we took this one, took that valve body from another one that we had, and put it inside there, used the same ring. Don't have to cut all the pipes and do all that stuff and dig all this stuff up. Just replace the guts inside the valve.